Here's one of the best AI presentation tool right here. It's called Gamma A app, Gamma AI. So when you first come to the website, right, you could click on the sign up section. You could sign just like that. You could continue with your Google account, or you could create email and so on. Since I already have a account, I just click sign in. So once you're in here, you have the different options. You have paste and text, generate, import. So we're going to use the generate area right here. And we're going to click on the presentation section here. On the free version, you get up to 10 cards. So, the other cards, if you want to get more, you have to upgrade. But you could, let it create whatever you want. Whatever you want it to make, you could describe it. So, for example, if I want to make a presentation on um, AI tools for business, right? Then I could just click on generate, and then it's going to generate the slides here. It's going to create the information just like this, as you can see. Here we go. Okay. And then you have 10 slides. Something that I like to do, since on the free version you only get 10 slides, is just if you want to copy one of the slides and put it into another one of the previous slide, or so that you have more space if you want. So now I'll scroll down and I could make it very detailed, extensive, minimal, or concise. And then I could choose my theme. So if I whichever theme I want here, you have more theme. If you click on view more, you will see a lot more theme right here. And then you could click on the have the AI. What do you want to be? AI images, so on. I'm going to stick to AI images, and the model is auto select. So you have different options. I'm just going to stick to that. Illustration, it could be, these different image art style. And then from there, if this works for you, however the style that you want and the theme and things like that, you could just press generate and it should start creating the slides for you. So you can use this tool for any kind of presentation that you may have to help you, create the slides. And if you don't want to type it in the thing in the generate and let it the description, you go to chat GPT or some one of those AI tools to give you a description, and then you could put it in here to let it generate the slides. As you can see, it's generating the slide here with the visuals, AI generated visuals here. You can see full presentation right here. Here we go. So usually this may take people hours of time, to or days to do the research and put everything together. But as you can see, it has it right here in a few seconds, few minutes. It just create this whole thing. So you can see AI tool for building 2025, transforming how the companies compete and grow. Has this whole thing here. You can see right there with the images and stuff. Like if you wanted to change the image, all you have to do is click on it. You could erase it, or you could just find an image on Google or something and just put it here where this image is. Or you could also edit image, and you could describe an image, the different thing you wanted to create, the AI tool. Keep in mind, it's usually take credit, but you get some free credit when you first sign up. Right now, it takes I use credit. So if you wanted to make the presentation full screen, you just click on full screen here. If you wanted to let it be spotlighted, you could just click on the spotlight button here. And then each time you present, it just highlights each section that you're talking, that you're presenting. And then if you wanted to share it to say your Google, sheet or Google slide or something, you just click on share, click on export, and you can export it to Google Slides here. PDF, PowerPoint, and so on. So this is one of the top tools that you guys could use to make your presentation simple, straight to the point. All right, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's level up together. Remember, for His glory, peace.